Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your BLACKVIEW A70. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store, and here let's try finding Call of Duty. Write Call of Duty in the search pool and hit the search button. As you can see, there's no proper game, and now in order to fix this, let's go back, click on our profile icon, go for the settings, click on family, parental controls, and here there's actually two ways you can fix it. First one is to disable parental controls entirely. Click on the switch button, enter the PIN code, and that way you'll fix this problem. The second way is to click on apps and games, enter the PIN code, click OK, and increase it to at least 16, and then save it. Now let's go back, search for Call of Duty yet again, and it's right here. We can install it without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.